Hello, wonderful attendees. A very warm welcome to all of you in lovely professional university Edu-Webinars. My name is Dalvita Kaur and I'm your host for today's webinar. As I can see, people are still joining, so let's wait for a few more minutes so that everyone can join. Till then, let me take you all on a virtual tour of our beautiful university. So here it is.
Finishes at 90 meters, 23.
So let's talk about the poll response. So thanks everyone for polling. We'll talk on the option C, especially. Is this video real or AI? No, this is absolutely real video. No AI is harmed in making this video. So for the people who wants to see this video again, I'll share the link in the chat box later in 2-3 minutes. So as I can see, everyone has joined. So let's dive into today's topic, that is AI for designers, transforming creative design through intelligent innovation. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Ms. Maggie Kunjan, Assistant Professor, Department of Graphics and UI UX, lovely professional university. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Dr. Maninder Singh, Assistant Dean at Mittal School of Business at lovely professional university. Before we proceed further in today's session, I'd like to request everyone for any questions. You can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our expert, Ms. Maggie Kunjan, and it would be an absolute delight to listen. And I'll be joining you all as an attendee, as it's always great to learn something. Over to you, Ms. Maggie Kunjan.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the lovely introduction. Yes, we'll start with this today's topic, that is AI for designers. I'll start my with me. Yeah. So today's topic is AI for designers, shaping the future through innovation. So, what do you understand by design? Okay. So basically, what is design? It is a solution to any problem, and which is having a form. So let's go into what is UI UX design. What is UI UX design is, what is UI is the form that we see and that we use, or that is giving you the innate kind of experience. But what is UX? It is talking about the experience that you get from that product or design that we are using. Like, let's say if we are talking about UI UX, we are talking about the application design, we are talking about the website design, any interface design that we are talking. And UI that we see, that is our screen. Like if you're seeing this screen, that the screen, the colors, the text, everything that you're seeing is the UI. And experience, what you're gaining insight from that. Like what is the written part over there, what you are understanding from that, the experience that you're getting, that is UX. Let's get into the different the slide. What is design? A great design is about being simple. If we talk about the product design, furniture design, or any kind of design, that's supposed to be very simple so that the other person, let's say any user, can understand by just looking at it. Like if this is the example of the light, or you can see the wire that is stumbled over here, that is making it difficult to understand that what it is. But in the other side, if you can see this one that is hanging from the top, that is the light. You can understand it with the image itself. Next, so what on earth is UI and UX? UI, colors, layouts. So here the example I have pasted, that is Instagram icon. So that is UI. The colors that you see from that logo, that icon, you can understand what is UI. Okay. So, but when you go into that application, when you use that, you understand that what is the experience you are getting. What is UX? User experience. How users feel when using it. Easy, fast, and enjoyable. Like how the applications are designed, how the buttons are giving you the impression to use that application regularly. Like if you are using Google Pay or any of the application, like payment applications like Phone Pay, Google Pay. So which one you want to opt? Which one will be the easiest? That's why most of the people use the Google Pay, because it has the easy navigation part. Now, let's see what is UI and UX anyway. So there's a difference. Like UI is completely on the designing part, and UX, it's completely about talking about the human factors, like the experience they are getting, the excitement they are getting, the motivation they are getting through using that application or any of the screens. Like if we talk about the LPU also, LPU websites are designed by the designers. Like what you see in the screen, that is UI, but the understanding, like if you go into the academics, you check that what are the details have been given, the details are clearly reflected over there. So that is the experience that you are getting from that. Yeah, these are the difference. Now, like everyone is evolving with the AI. So AI is there in the market right now, and AI is the greatest trend right now. So everyone is involving AI in their design also, in other platforms also, like for learning, for understanding, and everything. So now as a designers also, we also included the AI in our designs. So what is AI? What is AI is basically simple term, we can call it as an artificial intelligence. So how it is helping the designers, let's see. So AI is the ability for computers to learn and perform tasks like humans. How we are now training AI with the human intelligence only, so that it can perform like that. It can make your work easy. Like it's not that everything is already feed in that. Like if we are using Chat GPT or any of the AI tools, we are feeding the information in that. So they act and they give the response according to your understanding and giving the right, means they are just making your work easy. Like nowadays, AI will be helping in your different forms. Like as a designer, we are making logos, we are making screens, we are writing content, we are doing so many things. How it is helping? It will help you to pick colors. It will help you to make the logos also. It will help you to write the content also. So some of the tools are there, like Wizard. If we are getting into UI and UX, like there are Wizard, the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is nowadays everyone is using. Like it will help you to do research also. It will help you to design also. Like they are always including so many trends, so many features in that. Like now you can create images into that. You can use so many things in that, like Adobe Firefly. There are notebook LM and so much. Like for UI also there are. For UI you need color. Like if you are designing any mobile screens, you want to have the colors, you want to have the right text, you want to have the correct layout. So if you're the first time user, you are blank with everything. But now AI is helping you in that process also. Like you can just give the right prompt to it. It will help you to find out the right design for you. It's not like that you will just copy and paste, but it is like that it is helping you to make a good design. It will helping you to make your space in the good market. Okay. So why is that? What is why is that is helping? It is helping you to design the screens in seconds. Like if you give that, if you ask it to design the login page, it will easily help you that what will be the layout, what will be the colors you should pick on, and what are the contents you needs to be supposed to be there. Then ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you in doing user research, like for whom you're designing, for who are the users, because it has the so many data. So that if you're designing for the food application, so there are so many data of like everybody feeds their data. So they'll give you the data from there, that how many food applications are there, how it is needed, and everything. Then Adobe Firefly help you to illustrate designs and all. So these are the very basic uh, tasks that has been used to create by the AI, like create images, pick colors, write text, test designs. So earlier, how it is with that, like if your faculty told you to create images, you will take hours to draw that drawing. And then right now, how it is AI is helping, you will just need to prompt, you just need to write that what you want, the colors that you want, how the areas that you want. If you want any product design, you ask the AI to design it according to your choice, according to whatever things you want to include in that image. Then it has made the work quite easy. Like it will not take the hours. It will just give you the images in seconds. Then pick colors. It will help you to pick the right colors. Like if you're designing hospital, any product, hospital product or anything, like you will ask it to design, to pick colors for that. It will help. It will create your hospital design and like that. Like if you're making any application for that, any, let's say, health application. So it will give you the colors according to that. Then write text. So there are so many text included in websites, included in applications. So these are the contents. So you don't have to write, or you don't have to do much. Was an hours on research to find out that what text will be there supposed to be, or anything that you want to be there. AI will help you in that also. Then test designs. There are screens that you have created. You want now to be do the testing of that it will be used by the users or not. Earlier it was supposed to, like, you will go to the person to find out these are these are right or not. But now help you and you will upload the designs and it will that okay, please better. So it is like that. So yeah, next is what are the tips for the AI business. So right now there are Wizard, Google Studio, Chroma, ChatGPT. So basics, there are advanced ones. For earlier, when we are getting this stuff you are with, we start get this frames. And these frames is about themes, then how it will help, it will give you the layout, that how to design it, and the Google Sketch will give you the prototype. Means it will help you to create the prototype, let's say how the applications will be working. So what is your task is to just give the prompt. according to the need of the solution that you want, according to the need of the users, according to the need of the brand and everything. It is just that you should have all the knowledge and you are just inserting that knowledge in AI to give the solution of that. And it will just take seconds, minutes to complete your task, and it will save your hours and hours in that. For this also, you're supposed to have the knowledge, right? Unless and until you have the knowledge, you cannot ask the AI to design the task, because you are the last and the person who will judge that the AI is giving you the right thing or not. So these are the AI tools that you are using that you can use in your earlier designs and later on also. And ChatGPT, you can use it for any purpose, like anything. So yeah, you all can use it in your daily routine also. Like you can design solutions through the ChatGPT, and you can pick colors according to. So there is something like you can draw first, then you scan it, and then you reveal that these are my designs. How I have portrayed my ideas into ChatGPT or any of the AI feature, and what is the solution that I have got. So this is how the process works. What is the AI? AI is the tool, and you are the pilot. Yes, you heard it right. That is, AI is a tool, and you are the pilot because you know that how to take that plane towards which direction. So it is like that. It's right because at the end you are the human who is judging that this is the right work, this is the valuable solution given by the AI or not. Okay. So there are, and it is like that. It will be storing your datas, like storing your information that you are giving it. So every time it is not like that. You have to do the repetition of that. So this is the AI, and yeah. So there are some ethics also, like design for everyone, accessibility and inclusive design and responsibility. So when you start with that, when you're starting with the AI, then you'll understand the what are the ethics we need to follow and everything. So this is my presentation for today, and I hope you all have understood it, like what is AI and what is UI and UX design, that how you're using AI into your designs, and what there are so many scope in it, like for any part of designing, like if you are into graphic designing, if you're into product designing, if you're into UX designing, you can include AI in everywhere for the concept development, for the design development, anywhere. So there are so many tools, and tools are also giving you so many features to design your concept. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for having me and listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Maggie Kunjan. So now we request to our admission nominee, Dr. Maninder Singh, to be on the screen. Over to you, Dr. Maninder Singh.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I'm just sharing my screen just for.
The screen is
Okay,
visible.
so I'll be talking about our university, the accreditation ranking, and is it visible?
Yes, share your screen.
Okay, so I'll be discussing about the rankings, placements, and the facilities that we have at our university. Starting from the accreditation and approvals, as you already know, the university is accredited with NAC A++, and we got the highest accreditation or the score of 3.68 out of 4. We are UGC accredited university, and each and every department of our university is accredited. If I say agriculture, it is accredited with ICAR. If I say architecture, it is accredited with Council of Architecture. So every department that we have in our university is accredited to their domain. Talking about the placements, we are having a good amount of placements with a value of higher values companies, and 2100 plus recruitments have been done for the LP students. The companies which are for Fortune 500 global also, they have given around 550 offers. The star placement that we have is Vishnu JSB. He is having a placement of around 2.5 crore rupees as a senior principal AI robotic engineer. Many other renowned personalities in our university is having a good packages which are above 50 lakhs. And you can see the companies also which are coming, which are having a good value in the market, like Plato, Google, Yahoo, Apple, Amazon, and many more. The courses that we have majorly is related to industries. So whenever we talk about the course, we try to put into a curriculum where student can understand whatever he has to implement in the industry. So the ranks that we are getting, the NIRF ranking is a norm of Government of India, and we got 31st among all government and private ranks. That is our ranking. And if I talk globally, the Times Global rank, in that we have got 5th rank. You have some options of study like study abroad, where a student is studying at LPU for some particular interval of time, for example, a semester. In a semester exchange program, they can go to some other university and study from there. Or they can have some options of international visits, where they just have to visit for 7 to 15 days to some other universities in foreign nation and learn from there. Many tie-ups we have in universities. Even we have options of 1+1 or 2+2 programs, where you can study half part of your degree at LPU and half part of the degree at any other university which is outside the nation. About curriculum, as already told, it is flexible and majorly based on outcome and industry related. As Maggie ma'am also does, we are already working on technology-driven curriculum and skill enhancement things. Many things are related to other aspects also. It is not that if you are studying design, you have to go into design only. You have some other subjects also that you can learn about along with design as well. Like if you want to go for painting or photography, you can do that as well. About extracurricular activities, we are not behind in sports as well. Our university students, they have participated in Olympics 24. They have got bronze in hockey and gold in javelin. Many other renowned personalities like our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he was here for 106 Indian Science Congress. We have a startup school. If you have any startup idea, our university is ready to fund you also. Many other renowned personalities have visited our university like Dalai Lama, and you can see the pictures. So it is not only an education, it is an holistic development where we are talking about academics, where we are talking about international exposures and extracurricular activities. Infrastructure, if I talk about university infrastructure, is top notch. And this is a glimpse of infrastructure which you can see here. We have an hospital inside our university. We have gymnasium inside our university. The computer labs, which are totally equipped with Apple desktops, and library, shopping mall is there, an auditorium with more than 1600 people capacity. Indoor stadium is there with capacity of badminton grounds, basketball ground, shooting range, Olympic size swimming pool, and hostels are also inside the university itself. And there is no ragging inside our campus. It is ragging free campus. The main thing which I come on is the LPU Nest. LPU Nest is LPU National Eligibility and Scholarship Test. So on this ground of LPU Nest, we are basically providing scholarships to many people on the grounds of what they have earned from the last degrees or what they will be performing into our entrance test. So the timelines I'll just go with is at this moment of time, we are conducting LP-Nest and it is ongoing. If anybody want to appear in LP-Nest, they can appear 3 days prior to the date that they want to select. So suppose if I want to appear LP-Nest on 10th of June, so that means I have to apply by 7th of June. And LP-Nest can be conducted at your home. That will be remotely proctored, or you can select a test center. That is your call. So tests are ongoing, but the last date of admission is 20th of June. So if anybody want to appear in LP-Nest, where the programs are having an eligibility of LP-Nest, you have to appear LP-Nest prior to the admission, qualify the LP-Nest, and then you can take admission till 20th of June. But there are certain set of programs which are eligible on the grounds of your last qualification, like 10th, 12th, or graduation. So if you achieve that qualifications, for example, if it is 60%, you have 60%, then you can take direct admission. And the date of admission is 20th of June. No doubt, you can already, even after taking admission in these kind of program, you can appear in LP-Nest for your scholarship purpose. So we have scholarships on base of work experience, scholarship based on national level tests like JEE Mains, NEET, NID, many other. And along with that, we have scholarships based on innovation, entrepreneurship, social, cultural, sports, bravery, board toppers. Board topper have 100% scholarship in our university. If you are top 20 ranks in your board, it can be state or national level. And we have other financial aids also, like your parents, they might be working in any of, maybe your father or mother, they are working in defense, they are teachers, or by chance if the candidate is often economically weaker section, single girl child, single mother, or even specially able. So this is a set of scholarship categories that we are having on the grounds of the last qualifications. So if you see that we are having 100% scholarships also on the basis of national level test or board toppers. And then we have categories on the basis of last qualifications or LP-Nest. So if you are taking admission in UG program, then your scholarship starts from 80%. Means if you have 12th 80% or 10th 80% on the grounds of that. And if you are taking admission in PG program, your scholarship starts from 70%. Means your graduation percentage should be 70% or more. I'll move on with the website. Here you have to go to our website. If you are ready to apply now, you can just look over how you can visit our website and learn about the programs. So this is our official website, that is lpu.in. You just have to go to admissions and you can click on regular programs. When you click on regular program, there is a set of disciplines that we are offering here. So if as the session is about design, you can click on design and you will find out what all programs that are available for design. So if I say I want to go for interaction design, you can find the program that is available in interaction design, that is Design User UI UX. So you can register yourself here in this widget and you can find the details of the program, like the eligibility is mentioned here. Then you can go with the placement record of that program, rankings is available, and what curriculum you will be studying on that particular program, that is also available here, year-wise, like 1, 2, 3, 3rd and 4th year. So whatever you will be studying, that is clearly mentioned here, and the fees of that program along with the scholarship slabs that is currently going on. If you want to apply for any other scholarship or you want to understand any other scholarship, it is clearly mentioned in this particular page as well, and the steps to apply LP-Nest as well. You can just click on this apply now and you can apply your LP-Nest. So these are the things that we are trying to promote from our admissions point of view. And from our closing statement, I just want that everybody, you should be ending up in a university where you get a good career, give your best, be a good citizen, contribute to your society. This is all from my side. Thank you. If you have any queries, we can answer them. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much, Dr. Manindra. So let's take some poll questions first. Ms. Maggie, I dropped one question in poll. The question was, which area of design do you think AI will impact the most? The options were graphic design, UI, UX design, animation and video editing, product design. And the most clicked two options were graphic design and animation and video editing. Could you please discuss about this?
Sure. Like which field it will impact?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what was the question? I just
I'm repeating the question. Which area of design do you think AI will impact the most?
okay. So like graphic designing and UI UX, and one was the option.
Options were graphic design, UI UX design, animation and video editing, product design. The most clicked answers were options were graphic design and animation and video editing. Please discuss.
No, it is not like that, that it will impact. Like it is a help actually. AI is a help. Ma'am. It's not like it's not an impact. Like it will help you to create more ideas and more designs from in these fields. Like it is not a harmful impact. We can say that it will be an additional impact. Like it will help you to design creatively, more creatively. Like sometimes it is like that the human brain stop, but the AI will help you to generate more of ideas. So yeah, it will impact in all three, but in a positive.
Thanks so much, Ms. Maggie. And I dropped one question in poll. The question was, do you want LPU office details in your city, Mr. Maninder Singh? And there is, the options were yes and no.
Yes. I just share my screen and inform them how they can visit our LPU offices. The detail is available. You just have to go to our website, that is lpu.in, and on this website, just at the bottom side, you can see this sign of LPU in your town. You just click on here and you will find out we have two kind of offices. One is permanent offices that are available throughout our nation, and these are working throughout the year. So let's say if I want to go to Uttar Pradesh, if I belong to Uttar Pradesh, I in Kanpur, we'll find out the phone numbers of our counseling team and people who will be available here, and a short glimpse of that office along with the Google Map location that is being mentioned here. So this is for the permanent offices. By chance, these offices are permanent, and let's say in Uttar Pradesh, I am not belonging to any of this city. You can try to find out our offices that is working at the time of admissions, which are as of now going on. So if you find out Uttar Pradesh here, let's say I'll go for Uttar Pradesh, and you'll find out different cities where we are available. Let's say the permanent office was in Kanpur, Lucknow. Let's say I belong to Varanasi or Saharanpur. You can click on Saharanpur and I'll find out who is available in Saharanpur and what are the dates at which he is available in Saharanpur. You can just book your appointment by calling at our university helpline and you can visit them, or you can directly call them and book an appointment and visit them. You can visit along with your documents, and even if your parents want to visit them, you can visit there and discuss about your program. Even if you want to make the payments for LP Nest or admission, you can do that from there as well.
Thanks so much, Dr. Maninder. I hope everyone got their answer to this question. And Sirjana is with us. Sirjana is asking, what skills, Ms. Maggie, what skills should designers develop to effectively work with AI-powered design tools?
So first is like the creative thinking. It is the most prominent skill that you should have. That creative thinking, like thinking means brainstorming is supposed to have, like you can put as many ideas or the words that you can put into the AI to give you the right feedback. Actually, AI will do the other things, but the thinking and the keywords that you are putting, like brainstorming you're supposed to do that. So that is the most important skill you're supposed to have: creative thinking and the brainstorming.
Thank you so much, Ms. Maggie Gunjan. And Dr. Maninder, someone is asking, to help you provide the residential facilities also?
Yes, yes. As in my presentation, also I have informed we are having residential facilities, and it starts from four-seaters also. Even if student who is not accommodating in four-seater, they want to wish in one-seater or two-seater, we have option of that also. Even we have apartments facility as well. And all the residential facilities, they have the provision of AC, and even the washrooms are attached along with the washroom, this hostel room itself. So it is within the campus, safe surroundings are there, and biometric passage are there. Nobody else who is not a part of that hostel can enter those hostels.
So much, Dr. Manila. So don't worry, attendees. If anyone have any question regarding the admission, they just write on us at admissions@lpu.co.in, and you can do WhatsApp chat with us. Our WhatsApp number is 9852569000. I'm repeating the number. It's 9852569000. And once again, thanks to our experts, Ms. Maggie Kunjan and Dr. Maninder Singh. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, under admissions, then LPU Edu-Webinars. You will find the past and the upcoming webinars. And you can be assessed this webinar later on YouTube. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again. With the permission of my seniors, I will be signing off. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you, ma'am.